I'm Romanesco, and I'm a professional astrologer. So my life, what it looked like before I enrolled in the AA program, was very different for where I am now. I feel that I was the stereotypical stressed out, burnt out healer who always loved healing everyone and supporting their dreams, putting all my time and energy and money helping other people's dreams come true, and then ending up being burnt out and having no energy for my dreams. So now how my life looks different is I feel before I was looking up. I was looking up at the shoes of all those people who were higher up the mountain and figured out how to do this. And now I feel like I'm looking down. And I'm not looking down on people in a bad way, but I'm like, oh, they kept their promise. Right? It's like there's so many people I feel I've been betrayed by or who haven't kept their promise. But not only has AA kept their promise of getting me to stop trading my time, my soul for money, but they've under promised and over delivered. They become my support system. They become my guides. They become my friends. They've given me a community of winners, a community of people who said, no, I will no longer trade my time for money and serve other people. I will serve myself. And all their promises have came true of where I've now launched my Confident Astrologer program. I've signed up 6 students where they've now paid me enough, kind of weird and cool to say, but I've been able to quit all my other jobs. And it's funny, I feel like I'm those people I used to watch on videos online of like, I quit my jobs and now I can work for myself. I've quit all my other jobs. I've working for myself. I don't have to hurt my body and trade my time, my soul for money, making other people's dreams come true. And I'm relaxed. I'm not making an income, working 12 hours a day and being stressed out. So I wake up when I want to. I can meditate and pray and self-care because taking care of myself is part of my job now. Because as a leader, as a wizard, as a king, I now have a kingdom. I have a culture and a community around me who depend upon me. They rely upon me being healthy and calm and spiritually wealthy and materially wealthy so I can be focused and show up for them. And this is everything that they promised and more. It's very an emotional experience for me because I feel that I've got a death wish. I've got this workaholic, self-destructive, martyr part of me, which just wants to kind of destroy myself for everyone. And they've actually helped me emotionally and spiritually go through that and come out the other end. And now I am Romanesco, confident astrologer teacher. One of the tangible results that I've achieved is that they kept their promise. They promised that if I shut up and followed their method, that I could create an online course, an online business that would help all of my dreams come true. A lot of times I felt like an imposter, and this was my first time being a teacher, and I couldn't do it. Nobody would want my course. They told me that people would want my course, and 6 people wanted my course, and even more wanted my course. People are coming now after my course is launched and having to tell them, sorry, you didn't invest in me. Too bad. Two, it's more importantly, is just the lifestyle. And this is the real key thing is that if you're watching this and have you traded your time for money, serving other people, making other people's dreams come true, being stuck on your cell phone, stuck behind the wheel and feeling stress and feeling anxiety, feeling like you're in quicksand, the more you work, the harder it is to get out. I don't have that anymore. And that is what is worth more than money is to have my health, to be able to wake up every day and just go, ah, okay, when do I want to wake up? So that lifestyle is another tangible result. Another tangible result is, I would say spiritually and emotionally, is that I feel this change coming over me being a teacher. Being a teacher, it's cool in a couple of different ways. Spiritually and emotionally, what I feel is that I feel this centeredness in my life. I feel that I'm like the sun where I'm there to shine my light and be a stable person who self-cares so my community, my students can form the kingdom and the tribe around me. So every day I feel more stable. Every day I feel that my students are teaching me. They're helping me become wiser and healthier and calmer. Being a teacher and being a leader, I feel that's like a medicine. Harvard did a study and they found the happiest and healthiest people in the world are those with the best communities. So I feel now I have a community around me, and these are people that I want around me. Before, I feel I would hang around people, I don't mean to be mean, but maybe they were losers. Maybe there are people who did not want to ascend and better their lives. I feel I've always had a love for blue collar people, people who keep us together, and I love them. But now I'm surrounding myself with people who want better, people who not only want better, but they put their money where their mouth is by investing with me, just like I've invested with AA. And just one other kind of funny little anecdote. I feel as a boss and a CEO with my own other businesses, I've had to pay people to tell them what to do. That is what normal business is like. I pay you, you do what I say. But being a teacher and a leader, it's funny. It's now people pay me to tell them what to do. And if they don't do it, I don't care, because we're all free and we're all sovereign, and it's your life. So for people to pay to tell me what to do, I'm like, oh, how did I never know this secret before? So if you're considering and investing in the AA program, there's a few things I like to share with you from my heart. One is, I know exactly where you are right now because I was there about a year ago. Can I trust these people? Are they going to deliver? Is this worth the time and money? So I hope by watching this video, I've already answered that and made that clear. And I would like to ask you is, are you ready? Are you ready to have passive income? Are you ready to stop trading your time for money? Are you ready to stop making other people's dreams come true and hurting your body to serve other people? Or are you ready to shine your light? Are you ready to be served? Are you ready to be spiritually fulfilled, materially fulfilled, and to have a lifestyle where you can just do what you want when you want? And most importantly, are you ready to be around winners? So I want you to understand what it's like being in this program. We are part of a private Facebook group with some of the top YouTubers, top online course entrepreneurs in the world. So every day in the group, I see people posting, hey, everyone, darn it, I only made $30,000 this month. I normally make $40,000. What's wrong? Help me figure it out. And I'm like, what? You made $30,000 this month working 5 hours a day, legitimately helping people on their path? So are you ready for that? Are you ready to be inspired and hang around people who are above you and who will inspire you to reach your goals? Or are you still ready to just hang around the people who haven't figured out how to stop trading their time for money? And I empower you. You are free. You are sovereign. The choice is yours. And I'm really glad that I made that choice.